Hi, welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Stanton.
And I'm Tila.
And if you're new to our channel, thanks for checking us out. All you returning subscribers, thanks for your support.
Here on this channel, what we like to do is take you through crafts and other DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect because love isn't perfect.
In this video, we are knocking something off the honey-do list by repairing a door that came off the hinges.
So when you buy a house, no one tells you about all these things you need to learn how to do.
Yeah, but that's why you found this channel, and we're glad that you're here.
Now you can show your support for the channel by liking,
commenting,
and subscribing.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting.
As you can see here, the door has come off the hinges. Usually in this situation, all you would do is tighten those back up and you should be good to go.
But not in our case. The holes were stripped, and you can tell this because whenever we tried to screw in the screw, it just kept on going in circles and circles and circles.
First thing we're going to do is remove the hinge from the frame. That way it exposes that joint and the stripped holes.
So the goal is to fill the holes with some type of wood so that the screws will have something to hold on to. And we had toothpicks at the house, so that's what we decided to use.
With these toothpicks, we are going to go with a foolproof measuring system. We're going to just jam as many toothpicks as possible in there to see how many will fit. In our case, it was 3.
To make sure the toothpicks stay together, we're going to use good old wood glue.
And our wood glue of choice is this Gorilla wood glue.
Good brand.
Great brand.
Insert the toothpicks into the hole and rub it around in a circle to make sure you get it coated very well with glue.
Then you're gonna break off the toothpicks at the part where they're coming out. And we did this, it's not necessary, but we took a hammer and kind of nailed in all the excess.
Now repeat the process for all 3 holes.
Once all 3 holes are filled, you're gonna want to wait for this to dry. We gave it 24 hours.
So it's been 24 hours. Let's see if our hack worked.
The only hard part about this process is lining the screws back up with the holes. As you can see, I open and close the door a few times just to make sure that those screws are matching with those holes perfectly.
We don't recommend using a drill for this part. Just use your screwdriver, and that way you can feel the resistance to make sure it's working.
And just like when you're tightening lug nuts on a car, you want to change the order that you're screwing in these screws, so that way you make sure that all of them are uniformly tight.
Looks like this hack worked. Thanks for watching, and remember, love is crafting.